Next to the monument of Simón Bolívar, Colombian soldiers stand guard on the anniversary of the Battle of Boyacá. The decisive Battle of Boyacá won Colombia's independence from Spain. Here you can see students recreating the battle to celebrate its anniversary. The General Simón Bolívar won the Battle of Boyacá on August 7, 1819. That same year, he was made President of Greater Colombia. The Bolivar was established as Venezuela's currency in 1879 in honor of its independence hero, Simón Bolívar. One of Venezuela's 23 states is also named after Bolivar. Even the country's official name, República Bolivariana de Venezuela, honors its favorite hero. The Battle of Pichincha, one of Bolivar's many battles against the Spaniards, took place on May 24, 1822, on the slopes of the Pichincha volcano north of Quito. José Antonio de Sucre, whose portrait is seen here, led the troops that won the Battle of Pichincha and secured Quito's independence. The Battle of Pichincha Day is a national holiday in Ecuador. It is celebrated with military parades. Caracas's Plaza Bolivar is named after Bolivar, el Libertador. It stands on the ground where the city was founded in 1567. Important historical buildings surround Plaza Bolivar. On one corner is the Capitol. The colonial-style cathedral is on another corner. Opposite the cathedral stands the Yellow House, formerly the headquarters of presidents and now of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.